Good morning, everyone. Hope you're well. I thought I've got rather a large amount of cards to make today, so I thought I would turn the camera on and just show you what I'm up to. I've got a batch of orders to make. I've got 20 very, very simple flat for posting cards that I need to get out on Friday, so I thought I would crack on, turn on the camera. Some of these today are probably going to be on time-lapse to speed things up. But I just thought I would show you how easy they are to use. This is your one sheet wonder. You get your back and paper panel, your topper and your sentiments to choose from on the sheet. There's loads of designs available in this, from polar bears to rabbits to loads of different breeds of dogs. There's cats, kittens, robins, you name it. There's loads of them. So I will pop everything you need to know in the description below the video, and I'll probably do a couple of blog posts when I get time to write them up. So I just thought I would get started. So I'm using some Hobbycraft 5x7 cards and envelopes in a pack. I've just literally pre-scored card blank, trimmed off the back and paper panel, and you've got your little fairy lights design. So I'm just going to trim this off a little bit more on the bottom. These are quick, simple. These are some of the boxed cards that I do, so very cost effective. Lots in the sets. Just to show you a couple, there's one there, that's the polar bear. This is the nativity scene. As I say, I've got loads, so pop over, have a look at the Facebook group. It's been such a busy week this week. I'm just trying to do 20 things at once badly. And I'm still on a little bit of a comment slowdown on Facebook, so I'm still on the naughty list. So I've just trimmed that down, popped a little bit of gold mirror card around it just to make the red pop. And also, just to let you know, these have been printed onto my beautiful new paper, photo paper that I love. Also waiting for some new tape pens coming, so I'm just going to spread out the last bit of tape runners I've got by the addition of a little hot glue, just to speed things up. I'm sorry, I'm a bit sniffly today, so why it is nippy out there this morning. Been up since about 5:10, and it is rather chilly. So just taking the topper, I'm going to pop him on a little bit of gold mirror card as well. And what I like about these is they're such simple designs to use, but it's up to you how decorative you want to make them. You can make them as simple as you want, or you can really go to town and bling them up. If you check out the Yorkshire Terrier and the Shih Tzu card that I've done with them, they're rather fancy. Get myself a couple of dies out. So yeah, hope everyone's well this week. It's been a bit of a strange week for weather. Sorry if I go quiet. I'm trying to line up. Can't do 3 things at once. Not this morning anyway. I'm only on to my 3rd cup of coffee. I'm sure everyone's having the same challenge at the moment and trying to make cards that are quite affordable to post. And what I like is just the simplicity of the designs, but also just adding some beautiful stickles really helps make the toppers pop and just adds that little bit of detail. I love the glossy effect of the photo paper. I think that really adds something pretty as well. So I am just gonna pop a little bit of tape pen on there, a little bit of extra security with some hot glue. One of my ladies on Wednesday night in my class is, sure you have shares in glue sticks. I wish I did. So I'm just going to pop him on there. I'm just going to pop the little sentiment on here. I might just pop a couple of flat die cut leaves just under the sentiment topper, just to add a little bit of detail. I'm just going to pop off the stems of these. Just going to pop that like that. And that one on this side. On there, and then that's him more or less done. I'm going to get loads done, line them all up, and then I'm going to go down and do all my stickles on them. So if you want to see them finished, pop over and have a look on the Facebook group. I will put all the links in the description of the video below. Please let us know what you think in the comments. Pop over and say hello on YouTube for me. It'd be nice to see who's been watching. I hope you like this. Take care. I've got lots more videos coming today because I have the office to myself. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.